What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Rob coming in here, man. We doing another test. We doing the range test, and we got the radio link, one with the 7 channels. As you can see here, this is your RCSGS signal. This one has the highest range. Supposed to be good up to 600 meters. That's supposed to be equivalent to I think six football fields or something like that. So pretty much you'll lose sight of the car before you lose the range. So we'll be testing that out, see how far it goes before it actually loses any type of signal. So just stay tuned. Yes sir, guys. So we out here running it down the field. I have yet to lose signal with this radio link controller, man. It is, hey, it's a great product so far, man. And then the lanyard is pretty good as well. That way you don't drop it or break it and mess up your antenna here. But just to give you guys a quick little observation on the how I wired it. This one does have dual antennas on it, and they did recommend that you run the antennas away from the ESC and motor, because it will interfere with the radio signals. So as you can see, I ran my wires out of my receiver box. Kind of drilled some small holes there to run it through, ran them up, ran both antennas 90 degrees away from each other, as you can see up in there. They're both kind of facing upward, but fairly got some good space away. But this was probably the best blueprint schematics that I could come up with to get a proper signal. to run the dual antennas. So far, it's been running spectacular, man. I haven't lost signal not one time. I went as furthest as I could possibly go. If I had to guess, man, I probably went at least half of what they claim it could do, and that's at least 300 meters away, you know. So gonna have to find another space that has enough field and running space to run it that far. But even getting down the road, I still was not able to even see the vehicle before trying to get it even further. I mean, you'll lose sight of the car before you lose signal from the radio link here. Awesome system, man. I do highly recommend it. It's a pretty good buy. They got some pretty good features and setups here. I do have mine set on the SWC switch here. And what this does is it allows you to set different speed modes. Right now I got it at 100% is all the way up. The middle is 50%, and then all the way to the left, which is considered down, that would be considered, I got that one set to 25%, you know, just in case, you know, for kids and stuff when they're looking to run it, or if I'm just looking to cut the speed down and the power down on the car to try to reserve the batteries. It's a nice feature to have, man. You can set these switches to whatever you like as far as braking and let me see, braking, throttle, your steering. It all sets it and saves it to the same settings. As you can see, I got my left endpoints set to about 30 because it was just off track a little bit, so that helped me keep the car in a straight line and more stable that way. This is a pretty hefty radio controller though, man. Highly recommend it again. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to come in here with the review. If you found this video pretty entertaining and informing, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and if you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit the notifications bell. Peace.